Alright, we made it to Ocean City, and I'm about to put Maddie in the stroller because she's a little baby.
In the stroller.
Hi guys! Lincoln and I are gonna go on the rides! Are you excited? Yeah! You are! Okay, let's go! Are you ready to go on the rides? Say yes. Say, I'm ready to go on the rides. And Maddie's ready too.
Hey! I'm also dang on sure ready.
Yep.
Da, 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 da.
We're in Ocean City and walking to the boardwalk. But little Noah tripped and scraped his knee, huh? But we have to walk a little slow. But he's fine walking, right? Yep, he's fine walking. We are here at the rides, and we are just getting some tickets, and then we are going on all the rides. And Noah, you're so excited, huh?
And I'm going to do it, so just watch me.
Here she comes! Woo! Good job, Maddie! Are you guys ready to go?
Yes, we are ready.
Lincoln! Hey, Lincoln! Look at me!
Maddie and Lincoln.
So cute.
Noah!
Say hi. Can you wave? Good job. Where's Maddie? Maddie! Hey, Lincoln! 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 Hey, Bubba! Noah! Noah! Hi! This is a Wonderland Pier classic right here. Do you see the monkeys?
Found a ticket.
Look, this one's not working. This one's not doing it. Piano
We are going on the glass house right now. Put your hands in front of you, everybody. Okay, so I'm gonna film this way, and hopefully I don't walk into anything. There's Maddie! Okay. There's Audra over there. She's waving. There's some rides. Oh, careful! Are you okay, Bubba? Put your hands in front of you, okay? Put your hands out like this, Noah. Put your hand out like this and go. Yeah. That way you can feel before you run into something.
No, fall into there.
Noah, this way. Hang on, guys. Sorry. He's little.
It's fine. Glass house is so hard. Glass house. Oh my God.
Careful, what you gotta put your hands in front of you, Noah. You're gonna leave this house with a big bruise on your head. Alright, we're almost done. I think we did it. Noah, did we finish? I think we're almost done. Or maybe we're lost.
Let me take control. This way. This way. No. I can feel there.
Watch out. Good job.
Great, Kellen.
Wait, I think you go this way. No, you don't.
Oh, no, this is it. We did it! Listen. Oh, this is it.
We did it! The kids are on the bears right now. I think they're coming around soon. Here they... Oh. Well, there was the back of them. They're coming. They're coming. Maybe we'll see them. Yep, there they are. Hey guys, we are walking on the boardwalk now. We are done the rides. And yeah, there's a dragon right there. We see a dragon on top of the buildings. And you guys, we need to walk faster. Come on.
Hey guys, we are here on the boardwalk.
And I got a pretzel and a soda, and then I got some flip-flops. And my sister got a shirt. And that shirt Noah's wearing is new too.
Cold.
It's a little breezy.
Yeah, but it's very cold.
The girls think it's cold. I don't think it's cold, but yeah. So we're gonna go get some cheesesteaks for dinner. Cheesesteaks.
Oh yeah.
For dinner. And we're gonna go back home. All right, we got back to the car. We are very wind blown. It's pretty windy out today, but we're going to pick up some cheesesteaks and then head home. Hey guys, so we just got home from the boardwalk. My parents are picking up subs and we are going to be having dinner. But I wanted to show you what I got on the boardwalk. So my sandals or flip-flops are very, very worn out, and I got them in Texas and I love them to pieces. But it's time to replace them, so I did get a new pair of flip-flops. They're basically the same ones that I already have. They have the bottle cap opener on the back, and they cost about the same price. So it's cool that I was able to get the same things I wanted, and get that on the boardwalk. Hey guys, we just went shopping. We're gonna go swimming in a little. I'm not sure what my brother's doing. We just ran to Wawa. It's a little after 10 at night, and I'm packing up my suitcase. I leave in the morning. I'm at the Philadelphia airport.